What's going on, everybody? Sovereign Jeriquan, and I've got 3 more boxes of Ghosts from the Past we're going to open, and this is one of them. Now, this is not the 3 that I have on order. Those are still taking a while to get here. So, let's take a look, and we'll see what we get today. Samsara Dragon, Swirl Slime, Yazzie, definitely a keeper, and Trek Black. I think I might actually keep the Samsara Dragon, as I haven't seen that yet. Eternity Pawn, Vision Hero Poisoner, Outburst Dragon, Epic Cyber End, Ghost Trick Lantern. In case you're wondering why you haven't seen my previous videos, I've been doing a big thing about opening these giant boxes, getting them ready. Ooh, Borland, that's definitely something I've been after. You know, the copy too. Zector, Rose Spectre, done. I open these so that you don't have to go through the trial and time of opening these things. So, opening each box by itself. Samsara, Hulk Fibrax, definitely keeping. Our Sucker, Tenyi Spirit Vishuddha. Alright, box 2. These boxes were actually supplied to me by my friend Red Garza. Thanks a lot, man, for these. Let's see, Altergeist, another Baxia, which I needed a second copy. I know most people who do these take 10 minutes or something to get them through them. I'm not that kind of person. I prefer to get these out as soon as possible. The Doom King Baladrock. And I'm not the greatest at opening packs. So there again, Despian Comedy. Ooh, yeah, Protector of the Agent's Moon. Gondor. Tenyi Spirit Adharda. I don't think I have that one yet. I'm trying to get at least one copy of all the Tenyi Spirits since they're all hollowed out now. I am looking for the agent stuff. I believe I've already got a Majesty Hyperion, but I do need to send that to a friend of mine. Lamia. Code Generator. Laplacian. Necro World Banshee. Uranus. And Motor Shell. Tatsu Necro. Keep that. Agent of Judgment. Ryza. Is that Redbeard? And a second Yazzie. Good. That means I've got all the Yang Zing synchros now for my deck that I've been. Yay, I've been waiting for that one. Executor of the Underworld Pluto, Geomathematic Final Sigma, Shell Knight, number 60, and Vampire Takeover. Alright, Saturn, another agent. Princess Cologne, and Dark Contract, King of Swamp. Alright, keep going. Speaking Comedy, Rampage, Laplace, some Area, and Tragedy. All 3 of these videos will be going up at once. King Requiem, I might keep that. And False Machine Skullwagon. I believe I've got all the False Machines. I have to double check. Vampire Brahm. Mystical Sand. Shadow Vampire. And another Yazzie. Alright. Final box of this display. Ooh, Agent of Force Mars. Happy with that. Glubion. And the Sanctum of Parshath. Alright, Retaliating Sea, Spawn Copernicus, Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon, that's actually for a friend of mine. Rotinian, then Jormungandr, Generator. Alright, Skull Buggy, Force Mars, Skull Convoy, again, Despian Tragedy. Alright, last pack of this display. See if we can get any luck. Alien Ammonite, Alien Dragon Circle, King Vice Requiem, Age to Mystery Earth, and a Victorica Angel of Bravery. Alright, that's it for this box. Hope everyone enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.